Top 5 apps like Jasseem Dentures reviews that actually work today. Jasseem Dentures is well known for dental prosthetics, but most people get this wrong by assuming there are no other reliable platforms for dental services, product reviews, or ordering custom dentures. The surprising truth is there are several apps that actually work today. First, Dentiverse. This app connects users with dental specialists and offers product reviews. Customers praise its user-friendly interface and professional insights. Second, Smala Direct Club. Focused on teeth aligners and dental devices, it includes detailed user reviews and product tracking. Users appreciate transparency and support. Third, Dentally. Offers a database of dental clinics, product reviews, and treatment guides. Users highlight its comprehensive resources and reliability. Fourth, MyDental. Tracks dental products, orders, and allows review submissions. Customers enjoy easy tracking and notifications. Finally, Dentop. Provides online consultations, product information, and reviews for prosthetic options. Users report helpful advice and accurate product recommendations. Pro tip: always cross-check reviews and consult professionals before ordering dental products. Using these apps alongside Jasseem Dentures ensures informed choices and safer purchases. These 5 apps give you smarter ways to explore dental prosthetics, check reviews, and maintain your oral health efficiently.